Hi, my name is Kylie Burke here at Davidson and Associates Insurance, and I'm here to talk to you today about why early insurance involvement is your secret closing weapon. In the fast-paced world of real estate, we're all familiar with the 11th hour panic. You've navigated inspections, appraisal contingencies, and lender underwriting only to have the entire deal hit a wall because of an insurance issue days before closing. As realtors, you know that your ability to anticipate hurdles before they become roadblocks is extremely valuable. One of the most overlooked yet critical strategies for a smooth transaction is encouraging your clients to speak to an insurance professional at the very start of the process. Here is why getting insurance involved early is a deal saving necessity. Number one, it will stop deal killers before they start. The insurance landscape has changed significantly. Factors that once seemed minor, such as the age of the roof, the type of the wiring, or the home's history of prior claims, can now trigger intense underwriting scrutiny. When these issues surface a week before closing, your client is left scrambling. By bringing in an insurance agent early, they can identify these red flags immediately. This gives the buyer and their agent the lead time needed to request repairs, secure necessary documentation, or utilize the agent's advocacy skills to find alternative coverage solutions. Early detection allows for a deal killer to turn into a manageable conversation. Number two, eliminating payment shock. We all know that mortgage affordability is a top of mind for buyers. However, many buyers base their budget solely on principal and interest, often underestimating the impact of insurance premiums on their monthly escrow payments. If a home requires specific endorsements or is in a high risk area, insurance premiums can be significantly higher than expected. By getting a bindable, accurate quote early, your client can build that exact figure into their budget. Transparency leads to confidence, and confidence ensures that when the final closing disclosure lands, there are no pricing surprises that could cause the buyer to walk away. And number three, addressing specialized coverage needs proactively. Not every property and not every buyer is straightforward. From luxury high value properties to homes and unique usage profiles, a standard policy rarely cuts it. An insurance professional needs to get ahead of nuances like rent back periods, ensuring coverage is maintained during the transition between seller and buyer, short term rental exposures, if your buyer plans to use the property as an Airbnb or VRBO or something similar. Standard homeowners policies often exclude this, which could void their coverage entirely, and high value properties. These often require specialized appraisals and coverage forms that cannot be rushed. When an insurance agent has the time to look at the property and the buyer's goals ahead of time, they can proactively structure a policy that offers true protection rather than rushing to fix a coverage gap after the ink is dry. Your goal is to get your client to the closing table with as little stress as possible. By advising your clients to prioritize their insurance conversation early, you're providing high level counsel that protects their investment, ensures their financial stability, and keeps their transaction on track. And we're happy to provide insurance advice to you or your client on any upcoming deals. As an independent agency, we have the ability to shop between carriers, allowing us to secure you the most competitive coverage.